As the blessed month of Ramadan drew closer to its final 10 nights, the spirit of giving only grew stronger. At Pembe Flour Mills, the heart of the workforce beats with faith. And during these sacred days, they were remembered. The management stepped forward to honor the fasting of their Muslim staff, not with words, but with food, sincerity, and solidarity. In these final nights, every act of kindness counts double. And for the Muslims at Pembe Flour Mills, this act was more than just iftar, it was dignity, respect, and recognition. In the heart of Tana River County, where the sun meets the soil and simplicity defines life, something beautiful happened this Ramadan. As Muslims across the world fasted and prayed, a team of believers chose to go the extra mile, with food, dates, and du'as.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to village 4 in Tana, and now the weather is 54 degrees centigrade. Alhamdulillah, salatu wassalam ala rasulullah, Muhammad sallallahu amma ba'd. We have come to bring these donations in every package. You see, this is a donation by Pembe Flour Mills, and it's not for sale. And actually, in this pack we have 2 maize flour, 2 wheat flour. We have cooking oil and a small sugar. This is all to assist our people so that they can have a good iftar. And I highly thank my brother Ahmed Salim Abakar Vajabir who gave us the same like this you can see here, which we took to Mount Kenya region, to Karumande, and also to other places like Ruai, Choka. And we also thank him again for assisting us also with some funds which we gave to our friends. And as we thank Pembe Flour Mills here, we also thank Ikra Blackman. We also thank Anwar Foundation who have done this impossible.
In giving food, we fed more than stomachs, we nourished hope. This is the spirit of Ramadan, feeding the fasting, standing together, and making sure no one is left behind.